Hey guys, it's Daniel. I'm really excited to check out the next generation Galaxy Fold, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. It has a bigger screen and some incredible enhancements, and of course it runs on the AT&T 5G network. Let's start with the box. Pretty cool. I'm first going to slide this sleeve out, which reveals another box. Sitting on top is this small box, and inside of it, we have a quick start guide, terms and conditions, SIM tray tool, and some other paperwork. Under that is the Z Fold 2 5G. Under the phone is information about Samsung's concierge service for the device. Plus they have a screen replacement offer. It's pretty cool. And finally we have a SIM card, charging adapter, and the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Okay, let's check out the device. As you can see, there's a cling, and Samsung included some care instructions. These are important to read because this is a unique device, so take a careful read through before you remove it. It has a nice large screen, a 7.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED main display with ultra-thin glass, and we can close it up to see the 6.2-inch HD Plus AMOLED cover display. This is a great two-in-one experience from smartphone to tablet size. And there's no notch around the camera, so you'll have much more expansive screen display. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, so you get smooth motion, especially for games. There's also the new hinge design that opens smoothly like a book and closes flat with a click. So here I'm holding the Mystic Bronze, and AT&T is also carrying Mystic Black. Going around the device, down at the bottom is the USB-C slot and the speaker. On the right side is the fingerprint scanner, which also doubles as the power button, and here's the volume key. On the top is another speaker, and on the bottom left side is the SIM card tray. On the back you can see a robust set of cameras, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. This small cutout here is for the front-facing camera. There's a 10-megapixel camera on the front display and a 10-megapixel on the inner display. Okay, so let's power it up. As you can see, this iconic butterfly design fits beautifully within the seamless hinge design. The new hinge provides more functionality when watching entertainment, since you can set it up in so many different angles. With flex mode, you can stand the phone up like a tent to enjoy content on the cover screen. And you can flip it, where you can watch on one screen and navigate the video controls on the other. Flex mode is also great for hands-free selfies and videos. You can prop your phone into virtually any angle and have full access to your camera controls. You can also fold your phone to capture images in a new view by angling your phone into what Samsung calls flex angle. And then of course take all different types of selfies without a tripod or selfie stick with Flex Selfie. Navigation on the device is fast and intuitive with the enhanced multi-window experience and large screen optimization. You can use the main display in portrait or in landscape view, which is great. Also, it's easy to personalize the layout and content of your edge screen. In handle settings, you can change the color and change and lock the location of your edge screen. You can drag and drop apps, and it looks like you can work between 3 apps simultaneously, which is great for productivity. So let's close up the hinge and take a closer look at the cover display. Again, you can customize what you'd like on the cover. Keep it as minimal as you'd like or not. You're also able to swipe between your different home screens while the cover is closed. Here your lock screen shows your notifications. Another cool thing is that you can choose what apps you'd like to continue on the main display to your cover display. So I'm going to go under the settings menu and under display, choose continue apps on front screen. And let's choose a few here. So that means if I've chosen my phone and messages, then when I take a call or respond to a text on the main display, I can continue on the cover display without interruption. It's pretty awesome. You also have the same edge screen on the cover display as you do on the main display to access your favorite apps. So there you have it, a device unlike any other, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Folded, it's a phone. Unfolded, it's a tablet. You'll have the best of both worlds.